Who are joining? Jyotishree. This example is showing you the counting list element. See there. We're using a list. List name is random. I am passing a value. One is A, another is A comma B, A and B, 3 and 4. Okay, so these are the three value I have passed. Okay, तो यहाँ गोटे लिस्ट है ए लिस्ट भितर ए टा गोटे एलिमेंट ए बी गोटे एलिमेंट रहा ब्रैकेट रे पास कराई किंतु गोटे एलिमेंट रहा एठी भी ए बी आ गोटे एलिमेंट एठी 3 4 होची आ गोटे एलिमेंट तो एबे हमें काउंट करिबा काउंट रैंडम डॉट काउंट तो हाउ मेनी टाइम दिस ए बी इज प्रेजेंट ओके तो ए बी केते केते थरा अछि सेटा से शो करिवो then random dot count 3 4 एलिमेंट टा केते थरा अछि सेटा शो करिवो देखो एटा now it is showing you the count of A and B is 2 the count of 3 and 4 is 1 clear Chandan Ankita Jayashree Manas
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
okay just a minute I share the codes next another example I have defined another list that is vowels it will count just 1 minute So here we are using A, E, I, O, U. Now it is counting how many times the I is present. A, E, so here I is present 2 times. So when I run this file, now check here, it gives you I is present in the 2 times. Then now here I search for P. So here P is not present. So it is showing you here 0. Clear? Chandan, Ankita, Jayashree, bujhela?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then list copy method. See there. Here we define a my list. In my list, I pass here like cat 0, then 6, then 7, then new underscore list, my list. Okay. For copy the element, माने मैं गोटे लिस्ट रो आ गोटे लिस्ट को जदि कॉपी करिवि तो एटे मैं खाली न्यू लिस्ट लिखिली my list colon खाली यूज करिवि. So when I use colon, all the elements are copy and store in the new list. Okay. So now it is copied, store in cat 0, 6, 7. Okay. Okay, so next another copy example, let it will open. Then it is another way to copy the element. If you notice here we pass as a old list 1, 2, 3, new list equals to old list. So what are the elements are present in the old list? Now it is transferred to the new list. So new list dot append A. Okay, so in a new list, we're adding another element. Append means adding a new element at the end of the list. So new list dot append. So now if you check here, see that earlier we have 1, 2, 3. तो এটা হলা old list रो एलिमेंट आसे कि new list रे स्टोर हला new list रे स्टोर हला परे new list रे मु गोटे अपेंड कली a माने अगेन मु गोटे एलिमेंट को ऐड कली से एलिमेंट नाटा हला a तो new list dot append a. So now the updated list is 1, 2, 3 and 8. Clear? Soumya, Vishal, Adya, Jayashree.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then if you add a element, means first we use a append method. Append means it is adding the element at the last index position. If you remove method. The next example we are using for adding the elements. Suppose I define a list So it is my new list. Now for adding the element in the list here I use my list, my underscore list method. Suppose I want to add the element at 3 position. I want to add L 0, 1, 2, 3. Suppose 2 position. In 2 position, just a minute. I am not printing the element. Print my underscore list. My list dot insert. Now check here again.
Sir, ସେଇଟା insert ଟା insert ହେଇଯାଇଛି.
Yes. Spelling. Everything. Now we are adding the element at second position. Means 0, 1, 2. माने 6 position रे मु एठी L टाको add करी. So that is the work of your what? Insert method. Connecting only. Somebody message me. Group पे message कर दीजिए. I'm not identify. Message. Okay, so next is it is a insert method. Another method we are using. Suppose it is a mixed list. Mixed list means here it is contain a dictionary or tuple that we have to learn after this. One, two. Then again we are using here 5, 6, and 7. Five, 6, 7. Then here I will insert a record. So now for inserting a record, we use here a new empty one value I am passing. Here I pass 3,4. Now I will insert the record in mixed list dot insert. So what I have to insert? I have to insert the one in one position. I have to add norm t. So after adding the element in the first position, if I print then mixed list, print mixed list, see that ये जो 3 4 थिला 0 और 1 पोजीशन में मन आड है बुझेला जयश्री ज्योतिश्री विशाल बुझ पाइल
Yes, sir.
ओके I'll share all the codes. Okay, so all the code I have shared here. Then next we're using, already we know about this append method. So I'll give some other example of this append. Suppose I define a list here, cat 067. This is a new list. Then now here I use append function. For using a append, my underscore list dot append what I will write here suppose here I have to use var. Then after adding the element, when I print my underscore list. Okay, so this adding the element at the last index position. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am adding one list into the another list. Okay, so here I pass like my underscore list. I pass here some value, apple, orange, banana. Then now I define here ti underscore grapes, suppose lychee. I add the two list is present. Now I have to add my underscore list dot append. I pass here ti underscore list. Then print my underscore list. See that one list is added into the another list. Clear? बुझिएगा अंकिता, ज्योतिश्री,
Yes, sir.
ज्योतिश्री नहीं, जयश्री बुझिएगा.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So here it is the way for adding the element one list into another list. So it is a work of append we are using. Now I will move to the next part, that is called as the tuple data type. One data type we are covered, that is list. Then Python tuple. The tuple is another sequence of data type that is similar to a list. A tuple consists of number of value separated by a comma. The main difference between tuple and your list is enclosed by the square bracket. Tuple is represented in the first bracket. Okay, so tuple is another sequence. It is just similar to your you can say it is a list. List is enclosed in the square bracket. Tuple is enclosed in the round bracket, or you can call as it is a fast bracket. Only one difference is what? When you store the element in a tuple, it cannot be updated. Okay, when you store any information in a tuple, it cannot be updated. Tuples can be thought of as a read-only list. Means you can not do any kind of modification in tuple. Clear? Vishal, Chandan, Soumya.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I will go for the example how it is working. It is just like the example that you are doing in the list the same thing we have to pass. Tuple that we're using A, B, C, D. Then by using here 786, 2.23 is using here Jan, then 70.2. Then we're using here tiny tuple. Okay, so tiny tuple, it will take here 1, 2, 3, then Jan. Then if I write here print tuple, it is printing you all the elements. Okay. Now if you write here print tuple, if you want to show the first element, here we use the 0 index position. It is showing you first element A, B, C, D. If you print tuple 2:4, that is printing you 2.23 and Jan. Okay. If I want to print all the element after 2 index position, the tuple 2 colon. So here I pass tuple 2 colon. See that. So after second position 0, 1, 2, it is showing you the rest of the element. If you only write print tuple, then here we are using colon symbol. So it is not retrieve all the records. Okay, so just a minute. Now check here. So two way you can print all the value from a tuple. As you have to